Hi, my name's Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about using acupuncture for a herniated disc in the neck. And so herniated disc is usually related to trauma or sometimes even a degeneration that may be going on. So an acupuncture physician is still going to go over and do a full medical history because there's many things that can aggravate that, such as particular dietary habits, maybe even computer habits, and sometimes as simple as drinking enough water can all have an effect on our ability to actually help and ideally cure a herniated disc in the neck or in the back anywhere else. So once we've gone ahead and ascertained what's going on, we can go ahead and select a few points, and although I'm going to work on some points locally in the neck, we might also choose points in the hand or even below the knee. So there's going to be a few points that we're going to work on here that will most effectively work on the herniated disc. So we're going to go ahead and get some single-use needles and select a few points that are particularly helpful for dealing with some of the pain. Many acupuncturists may also use electrostimulation on the needles, which can be very, very effective in dealing with some of the pain and inflammation, as well as speeding up the healing process. And once we got all the needles in, and we're actually going to use a couple locally here to really try to do some good, we'll actually leave the needles in for about 20 minutes in this case. And some practitioners like to leave them a little bit longer, and some will even go for a shorter time, especially if it's a recent injury that's been going on. It's very common to prescribe herbs associated with a herniated disc. There's many formulas depending on exact cause and the past history and the unique medical conditions that a particular patient may have. So once we've placed all of those needles in and we've left them in for about 20 minutes, we can go ahead and take those points out. And oftentimes the patient will feel almost an immediate relief of some of the pain associated with a herniated disc, which can be very serious and very painful. By the use of acupuncture for a herniated disc in the neck or anywhere in the back, we can oftentimes avoid surgery and some of the very strong pain-killing medications that have a variety of adverse side effects. So if you are dealing with a herniated disc in the neck or in the back, or any other pain-associated ailment and many types of internal medicine disorders, locate your local acupuncturist in places like NCCOM and make an appointment today to get a full medical evaluation and a treatment that can help alleviate and even fix many of the problems that many people are plagued with. So this is Bob Linde in St. Petersburg, Florida, talking to you about using acupuncture for a herniated disc in the neck.